Hey, everybody, what's up? What's up? What's up? It's your girl Georgette, and I'm shooting from the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful beaches here today. So what I want to share with you guys today is this mindset. And this mindset, I always talk about mindset because the right mindset changes your life, and it has changed mine. And so I want to talk about getting anything that you want. And if you believe that with the right mindset and you use it to uplift and to empower you, if you believe that, you can have and do anything. Do you believe that? That is the mindset for success. And so, there's a saying that we grow up with. That's why I always said that the mindset that we have right now, it's not ours. It's the mindset that we were programmed with. We were born into families who think a different thought than what we believe and think now. And that is why I keep saying you have to rewrite the subconscious mind and get rid of those thoughts that does not belong to you because it is not yours. And so there's this saying, when everything is going right, something is about to happen, something bound to happen. Oh, it's too good to be true. You can't have your cake and eat it too. Have you ever heard those? Yes, that is the mindset. But have you ever thought that everything in your life can go well for you? Have you ever thought that you can have your cake and eat it too? Have you ever thought that? Have you ever thought that everything in your life can just go well? I hope you're enjoying the beach here, guys. Isn't it just beautiful? So I'm sitting here on the wall. I came to shoot my video for you guys. I do hope you enjoy it. So I just wanted to really ask a question. Do you believe that everything in your life can go well? Seriously, do you believe that just about everything or anything in your life can go well? And whatever it is that you want to do you believe that you can do anything? Yes, we can. We are super powerful, guys. That's the mindset. And so you have to rewrite the subconscious mind, because that is what is programmed with our daily habits and routines. We are programmed to do the same thing. We are programmed to say the same things. We are programmed to go the same places. We are programmed with the same friends that we have. And so you have to rewrite the subconscious mind to think that, you know what, everything can work out for me. Everything can go well for me. It's the thoughts that we think. It's the words that come out of our mouths. We have to change those. And I'm dropping in the link below a step-by-step tutorial that will totally do that for you in record time. It will totally rewrite your subconscious mind in record time, because with repetition, you can reprogram the subconscious mind. It is with repetition that we reprogram. Because even in learning how to drive a car, it's with repetition, yeah? I had to send my girls out to driving lessons day after day after day in order for them to get their driver's license. And so with repetition, you program every and anything you can learn by doing it day after day after day. So in the link below, I'm going to leave you a tutorial, a step-by-step guide that will teach you how to rewrite your subconscious mind. Will teach you the mindset for success, to let you know that you can do and have anything. Yes. That you can have your cake and eat it too. Yes. And so you will learn that in the guide I'm leaving below. And so click the link, check that out, and I'm leaving you a free gift as well. Lots of people are around. People are just chilling on the beach. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. And so check that out. I'm going to also leave videos popping up for your watching pleasure. And if you're new to me, thank you for visiting. Keep watching. Stay on my channel. Please share. Please like. Please drop me a comment below. Do you believe you can do and have anything? And I'm here to tell you, yes, you can. It's your girl, Georgette. I send you love and light. Mwah. Bye now.